Convert BREP faces to forms. In this video, we'll use convert, modify a converted face, finish a form, and use modeling tools to replace geometry with a form. In Fusion 360, we're going to start with a new untitled document, and we want to create a box primitive. We're going to start by going to Create, selecting Box, picking a plane, and simply making a rectangular extrusion. From here, we're going to use Create Form, and we want to use Utilities and Convert to convert one of the faces from our BREP body. In the Faces Division section, we're going to increase these each to 6 with uniform division and say OK. What we'd like to do is make some modifications to the top of this design. I'm going to begin by selecting a group of faces on the top of the design in the center. I'm going to go to Modify Edit Form. One thing that we can do with Edit Form is we can hold down the Alt key on the keyboard, and as we begin to transform, we'll create an extrusion off of that face. Then we can use our other manipulation tools to scale them down and make adjustments to them as needed. In this example, we're going to scale it down just a little bit, making this rise in the center of the face. From here, we're going to finish form and take a look at our bodies folder, noting that we have body 1, which is a solid, and body 2 that's a surface. Let's hide body 2, navigate to our surface tools, select the upper face, and go to Modify and Delete or hit Delete on the keyboard. Then we can take Stitch and stitch the formed surface and the original body with the removed top and say OK. This will turn it back into a solid body. This allows us to take the Convert option, convert parametric BREP faces, and then make modifications to them using form tools. There are some instances where it makes sense to convert a single face and make adjustments just to that face, while at other times it makes more sense to create a complete form body and then convert it back to a solid or a surface. This is a basic example, but this functionality can work across multiple complex examples, and you can also use options such as Modify and Replace Face to include the modified form face back to the original BREP body. From here, let's go ahead and save this design as Convert.